And welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Physics Past Question 15. An object weighs 22 kg in water and 30 kg in air. What is the upthrust exerted by the liquid on the object? A. 220 Newton, B. 80 Newton, C. 50 Newton, D. 520 Newton. And you have the value of G, acceleration due to gravity, as 10 meters per second square. Now, in order to solve this, you make use of the formula for upthrust. And upthrust is usually given to us as weight in air minus weight in liquid. Now, weight in air, of course, is the mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, mass in air multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, minus weight in liquid, which is the mass in liquid multiplied by acceleration due to gravity. Now, the mass in air is given to us as 30 kilograms, and the mass in the liquid, which is water in this case, is given to us as 22 kilograms. So acceleration due to gravity is given to us as 10. So for the weight in air, that is 30 multiplied by 10 minus 22 multiplied by 10. Okay, and solving that will give you 300 minus 220, and that is equal to 80 Newton. So 80 Newton is the upthrust exerted by the liquid on the object. 80 Newton is option B, which is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.